Someone once told me that people here grow vines that they'll likely never live to harvest. That's Rioja. Patience is arguably the most valuable commodity in this region. Heck, it's literally written in laws. Rioja was once called the Bordeaux of Spain, but it's not a copy. It's its own version. People have been making wine here since before Spain was Spain. Time moves differently here. It lingers, and it invites you to sit around and enjoy a glass or two.
We started our morning the way most people here do, slowly. Coffee in the square, surrounded by stone walls, soft chatter, and the steady rhythm of a day not in a rush. There's a kind of stillness to mornings here that feels deliberate, like the day is setting its own pace, and you're just lucky to join it. At Terete, tradition comes off the bone, literally. They've been roasting lamb in wood fire ovens for more than 100 years. It's slow, honest, and elemental. It's more than a simple meal. It's a statement of what matters, a perfect embodiment of Haro and the Rioja region at large. Later that evening, we joined the Herredura Pinxtos crawl, one of Rioja's most joyful, long-standing traditions. The rules are simple: walk, eat, drink, repeat, until you can't stand up anymore. Bars spill out into the streets, conversations float above the clinking of glasses, and the whole town seems to move together. We started at Chamonix, then made our way to Beethoven I, two of Haro's most beloved stops. Each bar has its own rhythm, its own loyal crowd, its own little slice of history. It's loud, it's fast, it's everything good about sharing food together.
Tempranillo is king in Rioja. It forms the backbone of everything. But what makes this area special is not just the grape, it's the aging process. These wines spend years in oak barrels, years in bottles before they ever get released. Rioja is not just about now, it's about building something better for later, and that's beautiful.
In Haro, besides the train station, sits one of the most legendary wine districts in the world, El Barrio de la Estacion. It's home to 6 of Rioja's foundational houses: La Rioja Alta, Muga, Roda, Gomez Cruzado, Bodegas Bilbaínas, and the crown jewel, CVNE. Roda digs deep, literally. Its cellars are carved into the hillside, a winery rooted in Rioja's deepest traditions. Gomez Cruzado is the boutique voice of the Barrio. Small, expressive, and precise, with wines that speak clearly of place. La Rioja Alta takes its time. They build all their own barrels and age their wines with a patience that shows in every bottle. And founded in 1879, CVNE was the first and most prominent winery in Haro's legendary Estacion district. As Phylloxera devastated vineyards in France, Rioja stepped up, adopting French techniques and exporting wine by rail straight to Bordeaux. CVNE led that charge. Its Imperial Grand Reserva became the first Spanish wine to earn Wine Spectator's Wine of the Year award. At the heart of it all is a soaring cellar designed by Gustave Eiffel of the Tower. Legacy here isn't just bottled, it's built, patiently, beautifully.
Traditions aren't just preserved, they're practiced. And even with centuries behind them, people here aren't just repeating the past, they're refining it, one vintage at a time.
Just beyond Haro, Ysios stops you in your tracks. A modern marvel of rippling metal and cedar, it rises from the vineyards like a wave carved by wind. It's one of Rioja's most stunning architectural statements. Boldly different, yet rooted in the same land. Here, tradition takes a turn. The wines age in French oak, not American, signaling a new chapter for the region. It's not just a change in material, it's a shift in mindset. Still Rioja, just reimagined. Back in Haro, something electric is in the air. The Herredura has tipped from tradition into euphoria. Social clubs flood the streets, draped in team colors, singing, dancing, pouring wine with every step. The town becomes a stage. The music, the motion, the joy. Spontaneous and choreographed all at once. This isn't just a festival. It's Rioja in full bloom. A celebration of spirit poured straight from the bottle. From quiet mornings to roaring nights, from cellar to street, Rioja invites you to move slower and with intention. It's a place built on patience, but lived with joy, where time shapes the wine and the people shape the rest. In every glass, there's history. In every step, a celebration. It's tradition in motion. And it's still writing itself. One bottle, one night, one harvest at a time. That's Rioja.